DIY plumbing at 247plumbers.net, telephone, 877-596-0117. Call to speak with a plumber. Title: How to unclog a drain. Introduction. Hi there. Clogged drains can be a major inconvenience, but they're usually easy to fix. In this video, we'll show you how to unclog a drain using common household tools. What causes clogged drains? Before we get into the steps on how to unclog a drain, let's talk about what causes clogged drains. Clogs are often caused by a buildup of hair, soap scum, and grease. These materials can accumulate in the pipes and create a blockage that prevents water from flowing through. Step 1. Plunger. The first thing you can try is using a plunger. If the clog is located in a sink or bathtub, make sure to plug the overflow hole to create a better seal. Place the plunger over the drain and push down firmly, then pull up quickly to create suction. Repeat this process several times until the clog is cleared. Step 2. Drain snake. If the plunger doesn't work, you can try using a drain snake. A drain snake is a long, flexible tool with a crank handle that can be inserted into the drain to remove the clog. Simply feed the drain snake into the drain and crank the handle to push the clog through the pipes. Step 3. Chemical drain cleaner. If the clog is still not cleared, you can try using a chemical drain cleaner. These cleaners contain powerful chemicals that can break down and dissolve the clog. Follow the instructions on the bottle carefully, as these cleaners can be harmful if used improperly. Step 4. Call a professional. If none of these methods work, the clog may be too far down the drain or there may be a problem with the pipes. In this case, it's best to call a professional plumber to diagnose and fix the problem. Preventing future clogs. To prevent future clogs, it's important to regularly clean and maintain your drains. You can do this by using a natural cleaner like baking soda and vinegar or by using a commercial drain cleaner. It's also a good idea to use a hair catcher in your shower and sink drains to prevent hair from going down the drain. Conclusion. We hope these tips have helped you unclog your drain. Remember to use caution when using chemical cleaners and to call a professional if the problem persists. Thanks for watching.